Sica's sitting right next to you.
Yeah.
Can Vivek win?
I love this guy. I mean, I have to tell you, the more I listen to him, I mean, he's inspiring. He's got solutions. He is a breath of fresh air. So I mean, I would love to see it.
Would you love to see him win?
Yeah, I would love to see him. I mean, I love, you know, it's a hard decision, but his what he's talking about, nobody else is talking about, which has inspired me. And plus, he's hitting social media like crazy. You cannot pick up your phone without seeing him. That's true. On social media.
And he'll appear anywhere, anytime, for any interview, wherever.
Yeah.
But I want to talk to you about money. It's Monday morning, very modest rally on Wall Street. And obviously, this is right at the opening bell. That's not much of a rally, but it is a rally. I want to talk Nvidia. They report Wednesday. They are the new big tech. And I think the stock is up this morning. Yes, it is. It's 10 points higher this morning. What do you think about this?
Well, Nvidia has been a great stock. If you bought Nvidia on the IPO, for every $1,000 you put in Nvidia, you got $1 million. I mean, this has been a great stock through the generations. But what I would say is that if you really look at what it's trading for, and you do a side-by-side comparison between Nvidia and Apple, Nvidia being $1 trillion company now, it's significantly more expensive than even Apple. So when coming into earnings on Wednesday, what investors have to be aware of is that, first off, last week was a bonanza of positive, news for Nvidia. All the analyst reports, they were all raising price targets. One thing I've learned in 30 years of investing in this market is that when everybody in the world is positive on something, that's when you need to get negative, and that's when you need to be cautious. So I would be very aware that they may disappoint people tomorrow.
How do you invest in real estate? And I ask the question because real estate is a depressed area at this moment. And it occurs to me that if you can find the right stock in a depressed industry, you've got something to look forward to in the future if there's a rebound. REITs, real estate investment trusts?
Yeah, I mean, real estate, as I've said on the show before, is I like dirt. I like owning dirt. And when you invest in real estate directly, which is my preferred way to invest, you're taking on a lot more risk. You're giving up liquidity. But when you invest in real estate investment trusts, what you're doing is you're spreading your risk, you're diversifying your risk, and you're participating in the sector.
Is there such a thing as a real estate investment trust that specializes in apartment buildings? Because I think that's the real problem in America at the moment.
Yes, and the cream of the crop is Avalon Bay. That's the biggest, one of the bigger apartment REITs. So what I see is that if real estate is getting the worst press I've ever seen it in the history of investing in this.
Yeah.
So when they're getting, just like we said with Nvidia, when they're getting too much good press, the time to buy something is when everyone hates it, and now everyone hates it.
Jeff Sica on the Monday morning, a must see. Thanks very much, Jeff. Bye.